Hello there, Sule Emmanuel here. Thank you for joining me today. I got a question recently, someone asking me, how do I end a relationship that is not working? How do I put an end to a relationship that's not working? Here is it. If it's a premarital relationship, you're not yet married, please talk about it. If you've tried everything again and again and it's still not working, let the person know that it's not working and you've done everything that you know to do. You can still be friends, but not as close partners. It's important that we understand that there are certain people that God brings into our lives, not for a relationship, as it were. They would be relevant in your life for a season, relevant in your life for a purpose, relevant in your life for a time. So it's important that we learn how to deal with it. Talk with the person. Don't get angry about it. Don't get upset about it. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. And also, it's important you understand this, that many times a major reason why things are not working could be selfishness. Could be that you're selfish about a lot of things. So it's important that you're able to x-ray this properly. Look inwards before you approach this issue with the person. Is there a personal struggle you have in terms of letting go, in terms of loving unreservedly, in terms of giving, and in terms of receiving love, in terms of understanding the viewpoint, the perspective, and the opinion of the other person? It's important you're able to rightly x-ray this. But if it is a marriage, it's not working out, it's important that you also talk with your partner. Don't just talk to your partner. Don't just talk at your partner. Talk with your partner. Because the major reason many times why marriages tend to face struggles again and again is when there is poor communication, and also when you have failed to build friendship. A challenge we have many times is that we fall in love with a person without first seeking to know the person, and love is not enough to keep a relationship going. So it's important you understand these two perspectives. If it is a premarital relationship, talk with that person, share with that person about your struggles in advancing this relationship. You've done everything that you think can be done, should do, but it's still not working. And if you've got to put an end to that relationship after communication with that person, by all means do that, but make sure you do it well. Should it be a fight, it must not end on the bitter note. It's important that this is dealt with properly. But if it is a marriage, the both of you need to talk together, share with yourselves what you are experiencing a struggle with in the marriage. Walk towards building friendship with your spouse. Walk towards building friendship, because if it's all about just marriage alone, there could be the likelihood you feel lonely even within the marriage. You feel disconnected sometimes. What truly helps our marriage to get better on a daily basis is when we focus on the friendship that we share with our spouse. It's important that you hold dear to this. God bless.
Power to Excel mobile app. Download the Power to Excel app and begin to enjoy live streams, previously recorded messages of Dr. Sule Emmanuel, and many other beautiful contents. Special features of this app: listen to video and audio versions of all Dr. Sule Emmanuel's highly inspiring and empowering sermons. Submit your prayer requests and other requests directly to Dr. Sule Emmanuel. Stay up to date with Dr. Sule Emmanuel's social media engagements. Enjoy the inspiring 1-minute Sule Emmanuel Daily podcast. Enjoy access to an audio Bible 24/7 with multiple translations. Share your testimonies and transformation experiences directly with Dr. Sule. Receive push notifications. Make special donations to sustain the blessing of Power to Excel globally. Connect now with Dr. Sule Emmanuel on your favorite devices.